paint, powder, acetone. The paint booth is where finishing happens. Finishing is the final step in many projects. And in finishing, cleanliness is important. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Mother Teresa says, "Wash the plate, not because it is dirty nor because you are told to wash it, but because you love the person who will use it next." This video will teach you how to love the paint booth and the next person after you. Begin by masking all surfaces from overspray, drips, and other contaminants. All surfaces in the paint booth must be masked. There should be no evidence that you were in the room when you're done. Put things away when you're done. Everything should have a correct home in the paint booth. All items go on their labeled shelf. Spray paint with spray paint, oil with other finishes, lacquer thinner with solvents. If you don't know where something goes, or you have something that's oversized, don't put it somewhere random. Do not put it somewhere random. Resist the urge. Put it on the junk shelf. Don't store bad stuff. Throw it away. Empty paint cans belong in the trash can. Stiff paint brushes belong in the trash can. The masking from your project belongs in the trash can. They do not belong on the shelves. Leaving things overnight is a common practice with the paint booth, but the makerspace is a shared space. We have to communicate. When you leave a project, you leave a note. The note should contain who you are, when you'll be back, how to get a hold of you, and when the project can be moved, touched, or manipulated. When you are done in the paint booth, you must restore it to its proper state. Not the state it was when you came in. You must restore the paint booth to its proper state. All items should be back in the correct locations. Trash and masking should be absent from the room. Horizontal surfaces should be swept, and the curtain should be pulled back in front of all of the paint. Do all of these things with love for the next person, so that they may experience the joy of walking into a well-run paint booth, the sort of experience that you would like to have the next time you walk in.